I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A few isolated thunderstorms that track to the west remain possible across the central and east this afternoon. Seasonal to slightly warmer than usual, highs in the 80s expected to continue all the way through Friday. A ridge of high pressure over the central and northern plains gradually gives way to increasing chances for thunderstorms late tomorrow through Friday. Few of those storms could be strong to severe for tomorrow evening. Low instability maintains a low severe weather risk all the way through early next week. A cold front diving south provides our best chance for widespread thunderstorms Friday night through Saturday night. In behind that front, daytime highs cool to the 70s to around 80 for the weekend through early next week. A few more thunderstorms remain possible, mostly over southern and western areas for Sunday through early next week, as we see weakening low pressure emerge from the Rockies. Total rainfall for all areas the next 7 days likely to range from a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. In the long-term forecast, mostly seasonal or near normal temperatures are likely in Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through June 19th. Slightly cooler than normal temperatures likely for early next week, but by June 19th, those temperatures likely to be slightly warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall for Sunday through June 19th indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal. Key weather factors the markets are considering include cooler temperatures and the forecast of rain in the Midwest, more rain and heat for parts of the plains and Canadian prairies, and a chance of frost in Brazil. Late in the week into the weekend, much-needed rain may begin to overspread the Midwest, but mostly across the western and southern Corn Belt. In the Midwest, the pattern next week also favoring more favorable rains for drier areas. Rainy weather returns across the plains late this week, favoring additional drought reduction. Rain chances across the plains also likely to continue through next week. Farther north in the Canadian prairies, scattered rain continues for the next few weeks, but may not be widespread. Temperatures in the Canadian prairies remain above normal, which is starting to be a concern for the drier areas. Brazil is mostly dry the rest of this week. Just some isolated rain is expected in southern Brazil this weekend, possibly into central Brazil next week. Immature corn in central Brazil unlikely to gain much of a benefit from the rain. Frost may occur behind a cold front in Brazil, possibly halting the development of late planted second crop corn and slowing the development of wheat. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.